Now that we've established the back and the base of the chair, it's time to mirror the arm and the leg over to the other side. In order to accomplish that, we need a plane of symmetry that runs right down the middle of the chair. Your first thought might be to draw a line from the midpoint of the base. If I double tap on the base and I try to sketch in a line, you'll see that there is no midpoint snap here, because this object wasn't created from a sketch. It was extruded out from another plane. So we have to approach this in a different manner. I'll double tap on the cube. To locate this plane of symmetry, I'm going to use a box as a tool. So to do that, I'm going to start by turning on Snap to Grid in Auto Constrain mode. And then I'll just go ahead and sketch in a rectangle down here on the grid. And then I'll select that surface and pull it up. And it doesn't really matter what size this is. We're using it as a placeholder. I'll just zoom in here. Now I want to move this box precisely to the corner of the base. So to do that, I'll click Transform, Translate. Double tap on the box to select the whole thing, and then choose Next. Then I'm going to drag from this corner to this corner. This establishes a very precise translation, and it calculates the distance for you. I'll click Done. Now I'd like to slide the box over to the midway point on this base. Now I know the base is 70 centimeters wide, so I need to slide this box over half that distance, or 35 centimeters. To do that, I'll go back to Transform. This time I can't use Translate because I don't have something to snap to. Instead, I'll use Move, Rotate, Scale. I'll double tap on the box to select it. Use the arrow here and drag along this direction. Pick up the pencil and then tap on the dimension and type 35, enter, and then Done. So I've precisely moved that over so that now this surface represents the center line of the chair. Now I'd like to create a construction plane that will be on that same plane. So I'll say Add, Construction Plane, and then I'm going to change the type to Parallel to Face at Point. There's all these different methods that you can use to locate a plane. I'll use Parallel to Face at Point, and I'll just tap on this face and click Done. That creates a construction plane, which is shown in white here. You can select the plane. You can also double tap on it with your finger to go into that plane if you like. Then I could make a sketch here at the center line of the chair if I wanted. I don't, so I'm going to double tap on the cube, orbit around. I don't really need the box anymore, so I'm going to double tap on that and delete it. Also, I'm going to get rid of this sketch down below, like that. So now we're left with a construction plane representing the center line of the chair. There's actually a more efficient way to create this plane in the middle of the chair, and that is to add a construction plane using the mid-plane option. The way that this works is you need to select two planes, and then Shaper 3D will automatically calculate the mid-plane between them. I'll select the edge on the side, and then orbit around, and navigate, and select the opposite plane there, and then choose Done. This calculates the mid-plane right in the middle of the chair. So the net result is the same. I can then go to Transform, Mirror, and then double tap on the armrest and double tap on the leg. Incidentally, I'm going to click off to the side. I could use Groups to select this. I can tap on the word Groups at the top of the screen, and then I could select by name. I can click on Arm, back up here, and click on Leg. That's an alternative way that you can use Groups to select objects. Then I'll click Next, and then I'll tap on the construction plane. And then I need to come up here and toggle on Copy Mode or the original object would have been deleted. Finally, click Done, and you've successfully mirrored the arm and leg over to the other side.